thing about Sensible that was most appealing to me was the stripification of the developed language. We could have checked with these other companies who do machine readability, but for all of those, there would have had to have been a workflow change, and there would have had to have been a certain amount of trust given to another managed services team or implementation team that would happen outside of our environment. Sensible was appealing because, first of all, it didn't rely on OCR, and two, it's something that over time, for a monthly fee, my team can just use the code and configure it as needed. We don't need to wait on anyone else. I don't need to hire a Salesforce developer like I would have to do with Salesforce. We can just config things and scale it as fast as we can put resources on it. And that's sort of like the ideal way for us to operate. We don't want to build it ourselves, but we also want to feel like we have control. For us, it was a little bit like we kind of found a fairly turnkey component to cover that step between reading the PDF ourselves and having another underlying provider read it. It didn't disrupt our current workflow. One metric I'll say in the interim is the fact that we've been able to get to like nearly $2 million of premium without adding any headcount is very big for us. We couldn't have done that without Sensible.